sticking? Oh wow, no, it's not sticking at all.
Not sticky. Like it?
That's very good. Hey there, pan fan. We're always testing out our pans to make sure we're bringing you only the best at potsandpans.com. And so we like to test dishes that are very sticky and try them on our non-stick pans. And I thought, what dish is notorious for sticking in pans? Well, it has it right in the title, Potstickers. So we're here in Chinatown looking for ingredients to make some Potstickers to test out the non-stickability of our pans. Chinatown is a great place to get ingredients, but it is not a great place to get your pans. Always go to potsandpans.com. We're keeping you safe. We're making sure everything's PFOA free, and it's a good deal. You don't need to skimp and get your pans in Chinatown. It smells a bit fishy here.
They call it dumpling wrap. There will be fresh and special. It's a cooking one for the meat, make meats really yummy and tender. We're looking for the season for the dumplings. It's special for it. We find a special one.
And now we gotta go make some Potstickers.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
We got our meat, we got our shrimp, an important overlooked step that a lot of people don't do because it's time consuming and gross. You gotta be deveining the shrimp. I mean, you wanna be eating all that? No. Now we're gonna combine our shrimp and our meat. You wanna toss your meat with the special cooking wine you got from Chinatown, a little bit of soy sauce, and then actually a pinch of sugar. We're adding our cilantro. When you put it in the bowl with the meat, you just want to mix in the one direction. That's the secret. At least that's what I'm told. Is that how your mom taught it to you?
Yep.
Yeah, well, mom's usually right.
Special for dumplings.
It smells really good. Now we're at the most fun step, making and forming the dumplings.
Water around here. So make sure we have all these sail for, then we put the meat on the center. But don't put too much, then you fold it in half, so in the middle, and put a little water on the side, then you fold it this way. And you make sure all the sail.
I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down.
Don't too much because you
Oh,
will be.
all right. That was just me being hungry. Hold on.
Just seal the middle.
Seal. Okay. No. 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 I'm horrible at this.
Okay.
My turn.
All right.
Smells really good.
Got it?
What are you doing? Go away. I made one.
Yeah, it's good.
Christina's made one. We's made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once your army of dumpling makers has made the first batch and you realize you're making way too many dumplings, great thing is you can freeze them and eat them later. Go ahead and just lay them down in the freezer. Don't wrap them at all, but you want to get them in the freezer quickly so that they don't dry out. And they can hang out in the freezer for months. And all you have to do then is just fry them up in your pan. So now we're gonna put the Anolon non-stickability to the test by making some Potstickers. See how we're barely using any oil? With that non-stick, you don't need much oil.
So we put this one for half a minute. I put 1 cup of water. Just leave it there for 6 minutes. So when you see the water is gone, you can move, see? Okay.
Oh no, those Potstickers are not sticking at all. That is beautiful
It's
brown.
a perfect brown, yeah.
These Potstickers did not stick to the Anolon pan. We didn't even wipe this out. I would say this is actually pretty clean, but the Anolon pan, 100% dishwasher safe, so it's going in the dishwasher.
Everybody hungry?
The dipping sauce is sesame oil, the rice vinegar,
Soy sauce.
soy sauce.
All right, well, we're gonna sit down to dinner. But there you have it, pan fans. Homemade, delicious Potstickers, perfectly golden brown, that did not stick to the pan. I hope you give it a try at home, and be sure to check out all the pots and pans and accessories at potsandpans.com. See you next time. Jack, you want a Potsticker?
Bark twice for a pot sticker.